We're your premier company for pressure washing, soft washing, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, and the cleaning of Easy Breeze vinyl systems. Hi, I'm Sheila Smeltzer, proud owner of A+ Pro Services Incorporated, where we clean everything exterior and anything glass as a pro. Serving Brunswick County since 1999, we're your premier company. As the leader of A+ Pro, I'm responsible for ensuring that we follow our core values each and every working day. These core values include
being detail-oriented,
building relationships, performing everything we do with integrity, valuing our employees, and most importantly, that we protect the integrity of the surfaces we work on. We provide in-writing estimates, and we embrace technology so you can easily schedule your appointments online. Whether it's for your home, vacation property, community clubhouse, or commercial building. Let A+ Pro provide you with a customized exterior cleaning package. For pressure washing, soft washing, window cleaning, gutter cleaning, and the cleaning of Easy Breeze vinyl systems. Call us today.